they don't bond correctly in the soul, there will be a fracture there. That fracture will be the very essence that breaks the marriage up. It happens about 90% of the time. Only few can repair the soul. That's a tough mission. Requires intelligence first off. And then if the other character isn't down to play the game, it's done anyways. You might as well tell her to get her stuff and get out of your house. And that's how you handle that one. Mr. King's move.